We're a civil engineering contracting company specialising in land development and civil engineering infrastructure. We run a fleet of predominantly Caterpillar gear. We have 31 items of Caterpillar plant. The M series have the grader control systems on, automated systems. We always thought we were pretty good at what we did. But you're very traditional, everything was manually monitored and quite tightly controlled in the company, so we're always progressive in looking at moving forward into new ideas and new solutions. Ultimately, I suppose as we grew, that was always going to be inevitable that we start adopting some of those systems and reviewing them. We found out through about Cat Connect and with the machines that we had, we could see the big advantages of running a machine control system up in the remoteness of the Pilbara. As far as ability to save on survey and not be reliant on survey if surveyors weren't around and that. And so we trialled the system. It saves a lot of time. You can actually do the job quicker with machine control systems. Your material usage is minimised, so there's another saving. The information and the feedback we're getting through the Vision Link now, monitoring our running costs and fuel burns and idle times, which leads into probably one of the big things of operator education based on these results that we're getting through Vision Link. We have a system on one of our 30-tonne excavators. So when we're digging sewer and drainage trenches, we dig on the GPS, and that's been amazingly quick. With the GPS, we're getting very accurate results these days with that. We're only just scratching the surface in with the Cat Connect. We get these idle times and we do a monthly report on each machine. And there was patterns between certain operators, certain machines and that, and we sort of ran 3 months and had a look at it, and then we started taking the results out to the operators. I think we reduced all the idle times down by 10% through operator education, and by that education, like I said, we reduced them by I think it's 9.3% on the loaders, which were below the state average of idle, and the graders up to 20%. So that's significant. We're ensuring that everything we've got is running efficiently. We can dial in each day and see start times, stop times, how long those machines are worked, and so that's the big benefits we're getting. And one of the main things is giving your operators some ownership. They've got actually facts and figures, and they've embraced that.
Yeah, well, I'm a grader driver with about 22 years experience. We knew about the technology, we knew about the savings that it would make with, particularly with survey. We were aware that jobs could be done and be made achievable without putting any pegs in the ground. That's a huge part of what we were doing. By taking on a system that didn't require having pegs on a job meant all of a sudden that there was much less manpower needed on the ground. The productivity of the machine was really probably almost doubled in the day.
The other obviously key reporting thing is operator error. Any operating error is coming straight back through Vision Link, and I think we had a couple early on, and that's gone to zero now. So it's been a big change in 6 months. We can program exclusion zones into the machines so that as we approach those areas, there's an alarm system goes off warning that you are approaching those areas, and it's a great safety tool. Cat Connect means be able to monitor the utilisation of our machinery, monitor the performance of it, monitor the operator's efficiency, and also on the job front means being able to control our costs. It has been an eye-opener in that, and we're excited about what else it's going to be able to do for us, because we know, like I said, we're only scratching the surface of it, and there's so much more it can offer. And any machine we upgrade from now on will be coming out with a system on. From the operating point of view, if everything's set up properly, your job can't be wrong. It's given Tasman a massive advantage in controlling and utilising our machines. It's been very good.
The system we've got going on this job, particularly at the moment, is working really, really well, and I have full confidence in what we're producing as being the top quality product. It's taken out a lot of guesswork. The dealer have been more than helpful on many occasions. They're ringing up constantly, finding out how everything's going. The feedback that we've been getting through from Vision Link, predominantly through our workshop, has been invaluable to us out on site.
Cat Connect has really given us the ability to look at the different elements and how to look after a customer better, whether that be through safety, looking at the production side of the machine, the health. It's really given us more opportunities to help the customer.